Imagine a tiny restaurant where one chef cooks every meal. One night, 1,000 hungry guests all arrive at once, orders pile to the ceiling, and the poor chef faints. What if an invisible manager could instantly add more chefs and never let the kitchen stop? So instead of one tired human, picture a robot chef sealed inside a lunchbox. The box carries the chef, the recipe, and every ingredient it needs. Drop that box anywhere and it cooks the exact same meal. We call one of these magical boxes a container. Now that we have a box, one is simple, but 1,000 boxes across many kitchens is chaos. Which box cooks what? What if a box catches fire or a whole kitchen loses power? Somebody needs to watch every single box all day and all night without ever blinking. So how do we tame the chaos? A brilliant robot manager steps in, wearing a captain's hat. This manager never sleeps, watches every box at once, and follows one golden rule you give it. Its name is Kubernetes, and it runs the whole kitchen for you. Remember that golden rule? You never micromanage. You simply wish. Always keep 5 chefs cooking. Kubernetes remembers your wish forever. It constantly compares what you want with what is really happening and quietly fixes any difference. That promise is called your desired state. So what happens when reality breaks the promise? One chef suddenly collapses, leaving only 4. Kubernetes notices in a heartbeat, and without anyone calling for help, it spins up a fresh chef to make 5 again. Broken boxes get replaced automatically. This superpower is called self-healing. But Kubernetes does not juggle bare boxes. It groups them into tiny teams called pods. A pod is one main chef plus a little helper who shares its table and tools. Kubernetes always starts, stops, and moves a whole pod together, never splitting the buddies apart. Now those pods need somewhere to cook. Each pod lives inside a real kitchen with stoves and counters, and we call one kitchen a node. A node is just a computer. Many nodes stand side by side, ready to hold as many pods as their stoves can handle. So how do many kitchens act as one restaurant? Kubernetes links every node together into a single team called a cluster. From the outside, it looks like one giant kitchen, but inside, work is shared across them all. The manager sees the whole cluster as one big pool of power. Remember, our pods need a kitchen. When a new pod appears, a clever helper called the scheduler picks the best node for it. It checks which kitchens have free stoves, enough space, and the right tools, then places the pod where it fits best. Smart matchmaking, every single time. Now picture the dinner rush from our very first scene. Orders flood in, so Kubernetes instantly clones more pods to keep up. When the crowd goes home, it removes the extras so no stove wastes power. Growing and shrinking on demand is called scaling, and it happens by itself. So with chefs appearing and vanishing, how does an order find one? A friendly host called a service greets every order at the door. It knows all the healthy chefs and hands each order to whoever is free, spreading the work evenly. No chef is buried while another stands idle. Now the owner invents a tastier recipe. Instead of closing the whole restaurant, Kubernetes swaps chefs one at a time. It brings in an updated chef, checks the meal is perfect, then retires an old one over and over. Guests keep eating happily and never see a single pause. But what if the new recipe tastes terrible? Kubernetes kept the old chef's notes, just in case. With one command, it rolls everything back to the recipe everyone loved in seconds. This safety net means the restaurant can try bold new ideas without ever risking a disaster. So let's look back at our magical kitchen. Containers pack each chef in a box, pods team them up, and nodes hold them inside one big cluster. Kubernetes watches your wish, heals what breaks, scales for the crowd, and updates safely. One tireless manager, keeping everything running.